Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the last two videos about the new Rolex Submariner and the leaks I presented you a few days ago. So finally, we all know now how the new Submariner looks like and what kind of features it has. I think it is a great update with the new color options, but most important for me, it has also the 3235 movement now inside. Especially the new Kermit looks really cool. And that's why I woke up at 6 AM today to create the new update video for you, and now we are on our way to the biggest Rolex store in the world, which is located in Dubai Mall. As we can all imagine, there will probably be a long waiting list for the new Submariner, and it will be very hard to get these watches. But I will try to get this Kermit. So my plan is to go to the biggest store, which will probably get the biggest amount of watches, and place hopefully an order for the new Submariner Date with green bezel. I bought a few watches over there already, so hopefully that will help. I also wrote a WhatsApp to one of the coolest sales employees of Rolex at the mall, so I hope he can help me to put me on the waiting list. Still, I think it is better to be there in person. So without further ado, let's go to the store. Here you can see the biggest Rolex store of the world. It is a really huge one with 2 levels or maybe 3, I am not sure. And they usually have the biggest amount of Rolex watches. I will show you also what they have in the display, as I know you're always interested to see that. The store is just open for a few minutes now, and I don't want to rush them immediately, so let's give them a few minutes until they had a relaxed start in the day. A lot of Datejust 41 and 36 in steel with white gold or steel bezel, and of course the Oyster perpetuals. And the sports watches, which here are only for demo purposes. So unfortunately you can't buy them, still it is cool that you can have at least a look at them. So I am out of the store now, had a good chat with a really nice sales employee, and everything worked really well. I told her my history with the store, explained how much I love the Kermit and how much I love watches in general, and it would be amazing if she could put me on the wish list for this piece. I gave her all my contact details, and hopefully with this I will achieve getting the new Kermit. So guys, wish me luck, and yeah, let's see over the next weeks or months what will happen with this order or wish list, or however you want to call it. Before leaving the mall, I also want to check out the small Rolex store we have over here. I will also show you all the steel stuff that they have in stock. We are now at the store, but my preferred sales guy is not here yet. So I just stick to WhatsApp him and politely turn down the offers of the other sales employees to help me with anything I have on my mind. The display of the Oyster Steel and Datejust watches, pretty good stock over here, so maybe you want to drop me a comment how this is compared to your local Rolex IDs, better or worse, what do you think? And the two-tone watches, also not too bad, but I noticed the Roman dials are getting a little bit less common. So probably those Wimbledon dials are the hottest Datejusts at the moment. So I just left the store, no big news over here, but as I'm writing with my sales guy, I think I tried everything that is possible to get a new Submariner. I am on the wish list, I have a good sales history with them, I waited 2 times already unsuccessful for a Submariner, and hopefully all of that will help me to now with the 3rd try finally get a new Submariner Kermit date from my local AD. Before going home, let's have a quick stop at the store in the Mall of the Emirates. And again, I will show you what they have in display for the steel watches. A good choice of Oyster Perpetual and Datejust again. I'm out of the store now. And of course not a big update for you, as I have done already everything that is possible at the Dubai Mall store. So I don't want to annoy again every sales employee about the new watches. Maybe one important note for you guys, I asked the sales employee what will happen with the order I placed for the no date Submariner, if that order will be transferred to the new piece, and he said no. All previous orders are getting cancelled, so really sad for me. But now I'm just hoping even more to be lucky with the new one. Maybe it will help to get it so I don't have a Submariner in the history. So what do you think, guys? How do you see my chances? Will we have a cool watch buying video of the new Submariner date soon? It would be amazing if you drop me your experience of the launch of your local ADs in the comments, so we can connect and see how it differs from country to country. And with that, I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.